Hello everyone. The next special equation is 7 divided by x plus 1 divided by y is equal to 1 divided by 28. How many ordered pairs of integers x comma y satisfy the equation? Okay, over here x and y are integers. Okay, they can be positive, they can be negative. Okay, the equation is 7 divided by x plus 1 divided by y is equal to 1 by 28. The first condition is denominator cannot be equal to 0. Okay, so x cannot be equal to 0, and along with that y cannot be equal to 0. Okay everyone, so the first step is factorization. Before that we need to do cross multiplication. Let's do cross multiplication. This is equal to how much? 7. This is equal to how much? X plus 7y. Okay, x plus 7y divided by x into y is equal to 1 divided by 28. Okay, again cross multiply. Okay, now let's cross multiply again. So x into y is equal to 28x plus 28 into 7 is equal to 196y. Okay, so let's bring all the terms on the left hand side, so it becomes xy minus 28x minus 196y, okay, is equal to 0. So over here the degree of this equation is 2 because x and y, these two variables are together. Okay, so let's treat this as a quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, after splitting middle term, there are total 4 terms. The fourth term is multiplication of middle two terms. Okay, that is constant. Okay, so the multiplication of middle two terms is how much? Minus 28 into minus 196, that is equal to how much? Plus 28 into 196. Okay, we will not multiply, we'll keep it as it is. Okay everyone, so let's have a look at it. So xy minus 28x minus 196y. Okay, we want 28 into 196 over here. Okay, we want 28 into 196 over here. We are going to add 28 into 196 in both sides. Okay everyone, like this. Now let's factorize. Okay, from first two terms, look here, from first two terms I am going to take x common. So what is remaining in a bracket? Y minus 28. From these two terms, from next two terms, I am going to take minus 196 common. Okay, what is remaining in the bracket? Y minus 28 is remaining in a bracket. Okay, is equal to how much? 28 into 196. Okay everyone, now let's take y minus 28 common. Okay, so what is remaining in the bracket? X minus 196 is remaining. Okay, so y minus 28 into x minus 196 is going to be how much? Is equal to 28 into 196. Okay everyone, so our factorization is x minus 196, okay, into y minus 28 is equal to 28 into 196. Okay, now let's prime factorize this. 28 is what? 7 into 4. Okay, then 196 is what? 196 is 28 into 7. Okay, correct. So the prime factorization is going to be how much? Let's have a look at it. This is going to be 7 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. Okay everyone, let me check, is it correct or wrong? 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, that is 7 to the power 3, and then 4 into 4 is 2 to the power 4. Okay, so this factorization is going to be x minus 196 into y minus 28 is equal to how much? 7 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. Okay, now this is not a perfect square. Let's note it down. Okay, this is not perfect square. Okay everyone, the last two examples that we did in first two videos, okay, over here the number was perfect square. Over here that number is not a perfect square. Okay, so let's find number of factors. Let's find number of factors. Okay everyone, the number of factors of this number is how much? 3 plus 1 into 4 plus 1, that is equal to how much? 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. Okay, so in how many ways this number can be expressed as a product of two numbers? Okay everyone, the number of ways we can express, let me write this. Okay, the number of ways of expressing it as a product of two numbers. Okay, number of ways of expressing it as a product. Okay, as a product of two numbers is equal to how much? Half into number of factors, that is half into 20, that is equal to 10 ways. Okay, as we saw in the previous question. Okay, so out of these 10 way, every way will give us 4 different combination. Okay everyone, every way will give us 4 different combination of integral solutions. Okay, out of those 2 will be positive integral solutions and 2 will be non-positive integral solutions. Okay, so out of these 10 ways, every way will give us 4 different combination. Okay, if you did not understood this point, I request you to watch first or second video, okay everyone, of this playlist. So 10 into 4 is equal to how much? 40 ways. Total how many solutions we will be getting? 40 integral solutions we will be getting. Okay, but hold on. Okay, but hold on, out of this 40 integral solution, okay, one of the solution comes from which combination? Look here, out of this 40 integral solutions, one of the solution, look here, out of this 40 ways, okay, out of this 40 ways, or you can say out of this 10 ways, one of the ways, which one? One of the ways 196 into 28. Okay, so one of the way which is derived from this is which one? Minus 196 into minus 28. Okay everyone, so the first bracket is going to be minus 196 when x is equal to 0, and the second bracket is going to be minus 28 when y is equal to 0. So out of these 40 solutions, look here, out of these 40 integral solutions, one of the solution is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Okay, we don't want this x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 solution. Okay, so out of these 40 solutions, we don't want one solution. Okay, so our answer is going to be how much? Our final answer is going to be 39. Okay everyone.